Hey guys, I haven't shot an IGTV video in the longest time, so I actually asked you all the other day to send in some questions on Instagram, some decor related questions, and I said I would answer them for you all. So let's try and do 30 questions, the top 30 questions. I'm having a little coffee break and I'm at work today. So let's see how I do in this rapid fire quick challenge in between work.
One game changer if you have a very small budget.
Styling with plants.
Best hack if you have a small room.
I would say keep your ceilings one shade lighter than your wall colors and no dark wall colors.
Short way to make a room look bigger.
Lots of mirrors and natural light. The more natural light that will reflect through the mirrors, the bigger your space and more beautiful your space will look.
Flowers or leaves on a bedsheet.
So I would leave the design for the cushions and I would go like really classic and subtle on the bed sheets.
One decor item you should splurge money on.
I would say 1,000 thread count bed sheets because they just kind of bring that magic of sleeping in hotels to your house.
How often do you reupholster your couch?
Once in 2 years.
How often do you wash your sheets and towels?
If you're slightly hygienic, it should at least be once a week.
What do you think of an accent wall in black?
No, I couldn't do it. Black absorbs light and that's not for me.
Secret to keeping towels soft and fluffy and smelling good.
A fabric softener and a tumble dryer, both the magic ingredients, and also you can use fragrance beads. You get Volt on Amazon, just add them to your wash.
Top tip for a white home.
So eggshell is your safest choice. Make sure your whites match. You'll be surprised, but there's so many different shades of white, so stick within 3 shades. And also, yeah, don't spill coffee on your couch.
What did you study before you started this store?
I did a BA in woven textile design, but most people will tell you that you should just learn on the job.
What kind of furniture would your dream home have?
So I just don't want to struggle for space anymore. So I would say every piece of furniture should have some kind of utility or storage. So I've even seen like stairs that kind of have pull-out drawers on each stair and have storage in that. So that would be great.
Favorite candles for the room?
Jo Malone, they just smell so good.
How to amp up sofas without much change?
Add cushions, lots of cushions, 2 square ones, 1 rectangular ones, drape a nice throw on the arm of the chair, and yeah, you're good.
Why is your AA Living collection so costly?
So I would like to say that like we're affordable luxury and the stuff we make just lasts for many years. We never claim to be fast fashion. So you get what you pay for. You get awesome quality and I think you're paying well priced for that really.
From where did you pick the art pieces for your home, especially the paintings?
So the paintings were got from smartart.in and you can choose canvases there which are absolutely brilliant. You don't even need to put glass on it, just frame it and you can get some of the most beautiful prints from all over the world. So yeah, I swear by that for my house.
Your go-to color?
So there's this color, if you Google it, it's called duck egg blue. So that's totally me.
House cleaning routine, please.
So I get professional deep cleaning done once in 4 months, vacuuming once a week, dusting every day, and no, I don't do it myself.
Best indoor plant to liven up the living area?
Zizi or Zamia, really difficult to kill and just looks really beautiful.
A pocket-friendly home decor brand apart from yours?
IKEA.
Is having an all-white decor with young kids in the house a crazy idea?
So I think it's all about discipline. I think if you teach them that they have to do the messy stuff in their room, they will kind of learn that and respect the space. But then at the same time, they are kids, so accidents will happen and you will have to probably reupholster much more than someone else that doesn't have kids. So just be prepared for that.
What's the one thing that's very important in decor?
I would say less is more. Just have one focal element and just don't try and collect things over the years and display it all because your space will just end up looking messy and it'll never look so well put together.
Best flowers besides lilies?
So I've just started disliking fake flowers. I think anything real really just has its own beauty. And I think since I got rid of all my fake plants and flowers in my Feng Shui cleanse, I think my home is just like a happier space. So real flowers apart from lilies.
How to maintain a white home in India?
So first thing first, vacuum and dust. Secondly, if you get PU coated furniture, that itself has a protective layer which will be less sensitive to staining. Buy a spot cleaner ASAP on Amazon.
How many years since you started AA Living?
So I completed 10 years at the store, but my store will celebrate 21 years this year.
Do you have a cleaning maid at home?
Yes.
How to deal with wall paint flakes.
So check for leakages behind your wall. That's usually the cause of it. And if you do have a leakage, Dr. Fixit has been amazing. Highly recommended. So yeah, check him out.
How to transform a space when you have guests who come on short notice.
Fresh flowers for starters, if they are easily accessible to you. And also I love scented candles. So just light them in clusters. And I would say just jumble up some fairy lights and put them into glass prisms and switch them on if it's the evening time. It just absolutely transforms your place.
Paint or wallpaper.
I'm not a fan of wallpaper for my space. I think I would just much prefer like a clean painted wall.
What is the one thing that you have to keep off Deeps which you hate?
So he has this unsightly black backpack that just floats all over the house, and he just insists to take it to work and everywhere with him. So yeah, it's just become like part of my decor that I just like want to throw away.